Welcome everyone to Stacy's Country Cooking. Today I'm going to be making an easy chicken salad recipe, and for the bread I'm using my strawberry cream cheese bread that I had made in the previous video before the French toast. So let's get started. I'm just using a canned chicken today, and I'm going to break this up into little shreds. This is just one large can of chicken. I got mine from Sam's Club, but right now you can't find it. So I'm glad I had some on hand. But I shred that up. I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan salt. Some fresh black pepper. Then I'm going to add some red bell peppers and some diced red onions, some green grapes or whatever kind of grapes you have, or any fruit like blueberries, strawberries, or even raisins, some chopped walnuts, mix this up. Look at all those beautiful colors. Okay, to this I'm going to add some Duke's mayonnaise. That's 2 spoons. And then I'm going to add some whipped cream. This is kind of like a trick of mine. And you stir this up. I know other people's done it too with Cool Whip. It makes it taste really good. It has a little sweet flavor to it. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper. Look how good and creamy that looks. I'm gonna give it a taste. That's delicious. So now I'm gonna toast my bread. I slice it. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the skillet and let it get brown on both sides. And I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator. Check it, see if it's getting brown. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here and let it cool off a little bit before I put my chicken salad on there. That bread is so moist. After the bread cools off, then you want to add your chicken salad to it. Then you take this piece of bread, put it on top, and then I'm going to cut it. This chicken salad was really delicious on this strawberry cream cheese bread. I hope you give it a try. Thank you, everyone. Be safe out there and well. Thank you.